issued a Severe Thunderstorm Watch, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening to NOAA weather. All hazards rated. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Hamilton County, Champaign County, eastern Butler County, Warren County, northwestern Clinton County, Greene County, Clark County, eastern Montgomery County, eastern Miami County, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Trotwood, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Paintersville, Franklin, Casstown, State Route 63 at State Route 741, Fort Ancient, Rosemore, Beckett Ridge, Lumberton, South Vienna, Pekin, Corwin, South Middletown, Kaiser Lake State Park, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Old Town, Gladstone, Cedar Creek State Park, Yellow Springs, New Carlisle, and Dial 10. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 30 and 70. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 22 and 61. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 17 and 76. Now here is the official National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County, Ohio, northern Fayette County, Ohio, northwestern Clinton County, northern Pickaway County, Delaware County, southeastern Greene County, southern Union County, Ohio, Madison County, until 3 p.m. At 2:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Springfield, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Port Columbus Airport, Paintersville, East Ringgold, Interstate 71 at State Route 38, Rosemore, Gahanna, Lumberton, Center Village, Madison Mills, Worthington, Kilgore, Hilliard, New California, Grandview Heights, Whitehall, Orient, Amity, Ostrander, South Solon, and Delaware. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 71 and 111. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 47 and 138. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Clinton County, southern Pickaway County, northern Ross County in south central Ohio, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sabina, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Deer Creek Lake, East Ringgold, New Vienna, Good Hope, Kingston, Austin, Sabina, Circleville, Lees Creek, Rock Mills, Williamsport, New Holland, Washington Courthouse, New Martinsburg, Pancosburg, Plano, West Marion State Park, Clarksburg, Staunton, and Andersonville. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Richland County, northeastern Morrow County, northwestern Knox County until 9:45 p.m. At 8:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Gilead, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Gilead, Lexington, Fredericktown, Belleville, Waterford, Butler, North Liberty, and Chalk. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Ashland County, Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Knox County until 10:30 p.m. At 9:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Nashville, or 13 miles west of Millersburg, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Millersburg, Berlin, Walnut Creek, Loudonville, Kilbuck, Holmesville, Glenmont, Nashville, Winesburg, Farmerstown, Baltic, Gann, Mount Hope, and Charm.